Imagine stepping into a world where the noise of the outside universe completely vanishes the exact millisecond you close the door. That is not just a dream. It is the daily reality of the jaw-dropping new 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost Century Series 2. If you think you have seen luxury before, this masterpiece is here to completely redefine everything you know about automotive perfection. Welcome back to Car Horizons, your absolute favorite destination for all things exotic, rare, and ultra-luxurious. Before we dive deep into this multi-million-dollar rolling sanctuary, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and turn on all notifications so you never miss a single absolute masterpiece we bring to your screen. Let us begin with the jaw-dropping exterior presence because the front of this motor car looks like a rolling monument. The designers at Goodwood have completely reworked the iconic face of authority for the 2026 model year. The legendary Pantheon grille is now positioned slightly lower, giving the vehicle a far more assertive, grounded, and athletic stance on the tarmac. What makes it truly magical is the fully illuminated grille slats that cast a soft, ethereal glow at night, ensuring everyone knows exactly what is arriving before you even pull up. Flanking this massive chrome masterpiece are the brand new, intricately redesigned LED headlights. These sleek lighting elements gracefully flow outward from the central grille, sharpening the facial features of the car and creating a stunning geometric signature that feels highly contemporary, yet deeply respectful of heritage. Hovering proudly above all of this is the legendary spirit of Ecstasy figurine, immaculate in its finish, guiding you forward like a silver angel. Moving around to the side profile, the sheer scale of the Ghost Century becomes beautifully apparent. The silhouette is defined by clean, uninterrupted lines that stretch seamlessly across the hand-welded aluminum space frame architecture. A subtle, hand-painted silver feature line replaces the traditional coach line, running precisely down the shoulder of the vehicle to catch the sunlight and mimic the precise tailoring of a bespoke formal suit. The stance is further elevated by the massive 22-inch 9-spoke, fully polished alloy wheels that look like rotating sculptures. One of the most enchanting details on the side profile is the inclusion of the iconic reverse-opening coach doors, often referred to as suicide doors. These doors open wide to reveal a completely unobstructed entry into the cabin, featuring effortless power-closing technology. You simply press a button inside, and the car gently handles the closure for you with absolute whisper-quiet precision. As we walk towards the back of the vehicle, the rear design maintains an air of effortless elegance and visual minimalism. The sloping roofline gently cascades down into a clean, smooth trunk lid that emphasizes the pure width of the car. The rear tail lamps have been given a major modern upgrade for 2026, featuring dual vertical light panels that illuminate with pristine clarity. Look closely inside the curving chrome accents of the rear lights, and you will spot the beautifully inscribed Rolls-Royce double R monogram, a tiny but powerful testament to the fanatical attention to detail. The dual stainless steel exhaust tips are cleanly integrated into the lower bumper, hinting at the massive power hidden beneath the metal without looking overly aggressive or loud. Now, let us step through those effortless doors and immerse ourselves in what can only be described as the finest interior cabin in human history. The level of craftsmanship inside the 2026 Ghost Century is almost overwhelming. Rolls-Royce has introduced a revolutionary new material option known as Duality Twill, which uses an incredibly dense, artistic woven fabric made from high-grade thread alongside their traditional flawless leather. The seats feature thousands of microscopic, delicate perforations that form an abstract artwork inspired by the shifting clouds over the Goodwood estate. Directly in front of the driver sits the stunning digital dashboard driven by the advanced Spirit operating system, allowing you to customize the color of your digital gauges to perfectly match your interior leather theme. Next to the infotainment display is the breathtaking clock cabinet, which houses an analog timepiece alongside an uplit miniature Spirit of Ecstasy figurine set behind pristine glass. Look above you, and you are greeted by the world-famous shooting star headliner, where hundreds of tiny fiber optic lights recreate the night sky, occasionally sending a brilliant shooting star across the leather ceiling. In the rear, the available Serenity seats offer infinite adjustments, leg rests, massage functions, and a refrigerated cooling compartment hidden inside the center armrest to keep your champagne perfectly chilled. To understand how this massive sanctuary moves so effortlessly, we must take a look under the massive, sculpted hood where the true heart of the machine beats. Pop the hood, and you are greeted by a mechanical masterpiece, a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. This powerhouse generates a massive 563 horsepower and an incredible 627 pound-feet of torque, available almost instantly from the lower end of the RPM range. If you opt for the Black Badge variant, that output jumps to an even more fierce 600 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. This engine does not roar or scream, it whispers. It propels this heavy luxury liner from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a sports car rivaling 4.7 seconds with a completely seamless power delivery managed by a flawless ZF 8-speed automatic transmission that uses satellite data to pre-select gears based on the road ahead. The secret to its legendary ride quality is the highly advanced planar suspension system. This setup utilizes electronically controlled dampers, self-leveling high-volume air struts, and an upper wishbone damper that has never been used on any other production vehicle. Combined with a forward-facing camera system that scans the road surface ahead for imperfections, the suspension proactively adjusts itself in milliseconds to completely iron out potholes, bumps, and cracks. Rolls-Royce calls this the magic carpet ride, and it genuinely feels like you're floating on a cloud, completely isolated from the physical imperfections of the earth below you. Bringing this entire package together requires a conversation about the price of entry into this elite club of automotive royalty. Perfection of this caliber does not come cheap. The starting price for the base 2026 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2 sits at approximately $354,000. However, when you move up to the extended wheelbase version or the high-performance Black Badge variant, the base price easily climbs past the $420,000 mark. Because almost every single buyer heavily utilizes the Rolls-Royce Bespoke commission program to customize every single thread, paint color, and wood veneer to their exact personal taste, a beautifully configured 2026 Ghost Century will realistically command a final price tag closer to $500,000 or more on the road. It is a monumental investment, but for those who demand the absolute best that human engineering can create, there is simply no substitute on Earth.